Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, and in today's episode, I'm going to discuss with you the art of mindfulness and how you should nurture self-love through present moment awareness, that is mindfulness. So, let's begin. What is mindfulness? We all have heard of this term oftentimes, but what does this word really mean? Well, mindfulness is a practice of being fully present in the moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings with an open and non-critical awareness. Mindfulness encourages us to embrace the present moment, recognizing that it's the only moment we truly have. And by doing so, we can break free from the chains of dwelling into the past or worrying about the future. But most important question comes is, why is it important to practice mindfulness for practicing and adopting a self-love lifestyle? When you embrace the present moment as it is, you are offering yourself a profound gift of self-acceptance. It is the act of acknowledging your thoughts and feelings without judgment, even if they are difficult. And this simple act can help you build a deeper connection with yourself, and so lays the foundation for self-love to flourish. Self-love isn't about being perfect. It is about accepting yourself, flaws and strengths, and being kind to yourself in every circumstance. In other words, you need to practice self-compassion. And if you are combining mindfulness with self-compassion, you are in a better position to actually practice mindful self-compassion. It is nothing but treating yourself with the same kindness, understanding and empathy that you would extend to anyone, unknown or known, a friend or even a stranger. And the most critical part is, mindful self-compassion is the antidote to self-criticism and self-judgment. And so, when I say about mindfulness, practicing mindful self-compassion becomes one part of it. But more importantly, you need to understand that mindfulness isn't just limiting to meditations. It is a way of living. It has to be your lifestyle. When you bring mindfulness into your daily life, you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. And from here, you are having a higher degree of self-awareness, which then allows you to make conscious choices. And so it helps you to reduce stress and enhances your overall well-being. In short, when I say self-love is an important tool for your overall well-being, incorporating a practice of mindfulness and living every single moment being aware of your present feelings, present thoughts, present actions, that's going to impact your overall well-being in the long run as well. There are many ways to practice mindfulness, but today I'm going to give you just one simple exercise. Just one simple exercise to follow to start practicing mindfulness in a much better way. And this exercise is what I call as mindful breathing. Do the breath work. Just you need to do these simple steps. First, take a few moments each day to focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. And this simple practice can anchor you in the present moment. When you are so much present into breathing, you become more aware and more present into your present reality. So that's it for today. But before I conclude this session, I would like to remind you one simple thing. Remember that self-love is not an end goal, it is a continuous journey. You have to work on it every single day. Okay? And mindfulness is a powerful tool to help you inculcate that self-love lifestyle in your daily life. Okay? So, whatever I am sharing here with you, start practicing it as well. And whatever results you are getting, small, big, whatever kind of results, questions, doubts, fears, anything, just remember I am a DM away. Please connect with me, ask your questions, and I am here to help you become self-love and live a self-love lifestyle. And till next time, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-love. Do not forget to subscribe and to share this podcast